Hi folks, Greg from Floramics. This is a tips and tricks video on how to apply the Poly-U Thread Tape to a pipe fitting. Poly-U is available in a box, carrier box, that allows you to sort of thread the material, the tape out through the bottom of the box for easy dispensing. Poly-U is also available in pre-cut 10-inch tails in bags. So if you only have a handful of fittings to do, this might be all you need. To apply Poly-U, do a measured amount, typically going to get 3 or 4 wraps onto your pipe fitting. We want continuous pipe wraps. We don't want to have any type of what I will call corkscrewing done when you put it on. So we have Poly-U is available in 3 widths, so you can have continuous wraps, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. To start the application, it's on a carrier film paper, and so we want you to take the first 1 inch and just tear the tape, tear the carrier tape. You'll see that the film is clear, and remove the white paper. And then this is a tacky side of the film. Start that onto your pipe fitting and then just continue to wrap around. The tacky film allows you to do a continuous wrap without any slipping or sliding. Do 3 wraps and then you'll be done. And you'll see that the material is extremely stretchy and strong. This allows you to do a continuous wrap into the film or into your pipe fitting. And then you can picture how this also begin to stretch and form into the mating fitting when you put it together. That's how you install Poly-U onto a pipe fitting. Any questions, give us a call at Floramics or send an email to Ask the Engineer. Thanks for watching.